Thermal King's doors, now I'm talking about entry doors, is a lifetime warranty. It's lifetime transferable. We warranty the labor as well for lifetime for the first homeowner. The paint job on the door, depending on which grade of door you get, has a warranty of 8 to 12 years on the paint. The hardware has a lifetime warranty on it, and depending on which hardware you get, it would either be lifetime on the mechanism and the finish. There's a few finishes that they only give a 10-year warranty on the finish on the hardware, but most of them are lifetime warranty, hardware and finish. The most common problems with our doors aren't our doors, it's your home. And what I mean by it is people's foundations move. And so as your house shifts and settles, rises, expands from moisture or lack of moisture in the ground, that can impact how the door performs. Because if we install it during a dry summer and then you have a wet spring, that's going to cause your foundation to move and shift, and that can affect how your door operates or shifts. And our hinge system even has a system built into it to where we can adjust the hinges to make the door work in the out of square opening, if you will, as opposed to having to uninstall and reinstall the door. So we try to take everything into consideration when we replace your door to make it as foolproof and as perfect as it can be for as long as it can be.